Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Sentra, and today I'm going to show you a jump start your vehicle. So first open the hood, and then towards the driver's side you should see your battery here, with your positive terminal here, and your negative here. And then the next thing I would check, as you can see this one has corrosion built up. I would take a good brush or rag and kind of just clean these up as best as you can. Next I'd check to make sure these are all nice and tight. And if they aren't tight, just tighten them up. So these are nice and secure with a good metal connection. After that, then with your jump box or your jumper cables, you'll take your metal clamps and your positive one, the red plus one, you'll get to here with as much metal contact as you can, and then take your negative clamp and with as much metal contact as you can on those clamps. And if you're using jumper cables leading to another vehicle, make sure the vehicle's turned on with the motor running, and you've got your positive leading directly to the positive on the other vehicle and the negative directly to the negative on the other vehicle. We're going to make sure you don't cross those by mistake, because that could cause significant damage to computer systems, fuses, circuits, things like that. But all that said, once you've had this connected to the other vehicle for a few minutes or more with a good connection, hopefully that's gotten you enough power to get this started. And if you've been trying that for quite a while and still not having any success, you might need to replace this battery, which you can do just by loosening these terminals here to lift them off, loosening this little support brace here to get this off so you can remove the old battery, set the new battery in, and then just retighten and attach everything, and you should be good to go. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.